Hello, dear friends. This is Rohit Roy talking about Astrodowsing. I'm honestly saying that my subject can help a lot in the corporate field. Whenever we're trying to market a product or a concept, we don't know how it will create impact to the market. Astrodowsing talks everything about it. So, believe me, if you take the support of this subject, it will show you the way and it can give you the hidden secrets and tips so that you can get success. Many times we show our confidence to our product, to our brand, and to our thought process. And we believe that we have efficient people with our group, and if we have good board of directors and great brains with ourselves, then we can really crack any target. But eventually it doesn't happen always. So try to be a little neutral and believe in Astrodowsing and take the support of it and enjoy the benefit of it. Thank you.